This laundry roller cart has been amazing around my laundry days. Can get very hectic over here. So I don't know if you have the same issue, but I used to have like all the laundry in the living room sometimes for a week. So this has been very helpful. The cart is really easy to move around, and it has this handle that can help with that. Also, the space of it is really like it's large enough to move things around from room to room or one place to another, and it has this part over here where you can tag the items that you would like to tag in case you want to say like, oh, it's dirty or it's clean, whatever it is. So I like the fact that you can just, it's like a smaller option to move things around, and I think it does help with the laundry madness to be able to move the clothes from one place to another if you're not done at finish with them in at one sitting. So this has been a really good find, and I've been loving it.